How to change default thumbs up like button on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you how to change the default thumbs up like emoji in Messenger and replace it with a different emoji like a heart. So without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your app is up to date. Launch Messenger. And after that, you need to launch a particular conversation. As you can see that currently it has been set to the be like icon at bottom right. If you have got default chat emoji, you simply need to select the eye icon in top right corner of the screen. Select quick reaction, and if it is set to the thumbs up, you can easily set it to the heart-like icon, for example. So you can scroll down and look for the heart emoji and then tap on it. And in this way, you can easily change the chat emoji which has been set to default thumbs up like button. So I hope this guide helped. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.